Here, Grant, you want to have this spider? You want to have a big spider? Are you ready? Go see the spider, guys. Go over there by the spider.
Can you do it? Throw it. Throw it now.
You ready? Let's go play something else. Let's go do something else.